This question belongs to compiler design subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2020. So the question states, consider the following statements. Symbol table is accessed only during lexical analysis and syntax analysis. So compilation has following steps. First of all, we will have lexical analysis step. Then we will have syntax analysis. We will have semantic analysis. Then we have intermediate code generation. We have code optimization. And then we have target code generation. Okay, so this is basically used to convert our high level language into assembly level language. Here we will have an error handler which will handle any of the errors that occur during any phase of our compilation. Then we will have here symbol table. So symbol table will basically contain what are the various symbols or variables that are used during our entire compilation phase in the code, and we will be also having the addresses of the various functions that we have used. So it is basically used for translating or basically finding to another file whenever a function or a symbol is not present. So it is basically not only used during the lexical analysis and syntax analysis, but also during the other phase of the compilation. So first is false. Then we have compiler for programming language that suppose recursion necessarily need heap storage for memory allocation in the runtime environment. Yes, we need memory allocation in the runtime environment, which is dynamic memory allocation, because we will have activation record for functions which need to be created whenever there is a need in the runtime. But this can be achieved either through a heap or through a stack. As we can, stack can also grow dynamically. We can have activation record filled in the stack. So dynamic memory allocation can be achieved both during using heap or stack. So only heap is necessary is not true. We can have stack too. So second is also false. Now third one says errors violating the condition any variable must be declared before its use are detection during syntax analysis. So suppose we have created a variable a equals to 5, but we haven't declared it. So suppose this, we have something like we have used a variable in an expression, but we haven't declared it before. So what type of error is this? See, if we have a syntax analysis, we have syntax analyzer and we have semantic analyzer. So syntax analyzer checks for syntactically correct, whether the program is syntactically correct or not, and semantic analyzer checks for semantic errors. So it's basically based on context-free language and it is based on context-sensitive language. Now checking whether any variable is declared before its use cannot be done by using a CFL. It needs the power of CFL to be done. Thus, it is detected not during the syntax analysis but during the semantic analysis phase. So all three are wrong. So correct answer is, which is true, option D, none of 1, 2 and 3.